Bowling and the Times Square Beat, and we are with Jim Dale at the New Dramatists Gala. Jim, you are such an amazing actor, and in my heart you will always live as Barnum. But what can we see you doing now?
Well, what I've been doing recently was the one-man show directed by Richard Maltby with Mark York at the piano, and we did it at the Roundabout Theatre for 12 weeks. Then I took it to London, to the West End, where I actually did it in the theatre where I had first appeared in my first British musical 50 years ago.
Wow.
So that we've just come back, we're just relaxing. When I say we, don't forget a one-man show is for usually 4 people. So we are relaxing at the moment, and hopefully we'll be working in Canada in the very near future.
Can we see that show being filmed?
It has been filmed. I've been editing it for the last 2 or 3 months, and we need to polish and polish and polish. Whether it will ever be seen by the general public, I don't know. I'll be the judge of that later on when I see it. I mean, some of these shows on television are so professional. Ours was not that professional. We just brought a team of filmmakers in at the very last minute, and so what we captured on film was the film crew actually filming something they had no idea what was going to happen. So that was the problem.
Now you're at a gala for dramatists, new playwrights. If you had to choose playwrights that you really admire or would like to do or like to work with, what would it be?
Sheldon Harnick. I'd love to do some of his stuff. In a Little Tin Box is one of my favorite of all time songs, and he's just arrived now to have his photograph taken. 92 years young, Sheldon is, and I adore him. He's an old mate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.